my friend, my brother, comrade in arms, founder, Jan Suraj Party, திரு பிரசாந்த் கிஷோர் அவர்கள்,
A lot of chatter today, probably last few days and going to be in next few days as well. It's about TVK and PK, what it means. A lot of people think that TVK with PK has a better chance to win. A lot of people are also anxious what it would do. A lot of you would also be skeptical. Does it even add anything? Let me tell you at the beginning, your victory or the final result, whatever it may be, has got nothing to do with PK. It has got all to do with what you do, what your leader does, what the workers, supporters will do. Then why I am here? 4 years I have not stepped in this domain. Last time I have worked with any leader or any party was in 2021, and it so happened it was Tamil Nadu only. Tamil Nadu and West Bengal. After which I announced my retirement from what I used to do, and media used to call it political strategy. Then after 4 years, why I am here? I'm not here to strategize for TVK. You don't need my strategy. I'm not here to help my brother, my friend Bijay, because he doesn't need that help. I'm here because I truly feel that my announcement has been that I will not work with any leader or party. But then Bijay is not a leader. He is not a leader, political leader for me. He is the new hope for Tamil Nadu. And that's why I am here. TVK is not a political party for me. It's a movement of millions of those who want to see a new political order. A new political order in Tamil Nadu. Enough of what you have been seeing in last 30-35 years. It's time for change, and TVK under the leadership of Bijay represents the change, the hope, and that's why I'm here. I'm here because when I spoke to him, I found shared values, ideals, ideologies, and above all, the shared goal, the desire to bring change in the lives of vast majority of our fellow citizens. A change that is based and rooted in dignity, equality, and opportunity. Dignity for all, equality for all sections of society, irrespective of your caste, creed, religion, and opportunity for each and every citizen of Tamil Nadu to be the best what they could become, irrespective of what their fathers do, what their family does, what their pedigree is. And that's why I'm here to help him in whatever little way I could. I would love to see Tamil Nadu. Actually, last many years I've been studying Tamil Nadu. I don't speak Tamil, but I do understand little bit. And one thing I can promise you, next year when TVK wins, next year when TVK wins, and many of you sitting on the both sides, many of you become the policy makers, the rulers, under the leadership of none other than your leader, Bijay. When I will return here to give a thank you speech, it will be in Tamil. It will be in Tamil. I will make every effort to learn to speak enough Tamil to come and thank people of Tamil Nadu after victory of TVK in 2026 in Tamil.